An active social worker for many years, Bharti Sumaria had been at the forefront of fighting a hard battle for women's rights as the president of the Akhil Bhartiya Mahila Sangathan. It was this sheer belief of being a woman of substance that made her turn entrepreneur. Soon after quitting her position in 2005, Bharti decided to start Sumaria Pet, an organization that today manufactures a varied variety of plastic goods.
We have started our business in 2005 and now we are having a very good growth with God's grace. We have started our factory with one machine and 2 workers. Now we are having lots of machine and all good companies machine. We have started with local brand machine because that time we were not knowing anything about plastic. We were not knowing a single thing about it. You can tell we were not knowing P about plastics. But now we think we have reached our target.
Sumaria Pet has 5 manufacturing units in India's financial capital, Mumbai. The company produces various plastic articles such as promotional gifts, jars, bottles, oil containers and other industrial products. It is this wide spectrum of product offerings that has brought on board a clientele that now includes some big industry names such as Bisleri, Cello and Cipla to name a few.
We are into different industry. We are into injection molding machines. There we manufacture caps and closures. We are into preform industry, which is supplied to all bottling industry and jar manufacture industry. We are into hot foil stamping, which is used for household articles. So we are into household articles also. We supply ready bottles and jars to different companies. All my gift items from Sumaria, their quality is too good. And there are so many varieties in gift item, and I'll continue with Sumaria forever.
सुमारिया पेट से बहुत सालों से हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं और इनसे फ्रीज बॉटल वगैरह जार्स पेट में जितनी भी आइटम्स इनकी बनती हैं तो लोग उसके साथ में हम लोग डील करते हैं.
Apart from the vast product offerings and a huge client base, Bharti Sumaria also credits her family for her success. In fact, her husband Sanjay, who now heads the finance division of the company, was instrumental in backing her venture. In a short span of 5 years, Sumaria Pet has clocked a turnover of almost 95 lakh rupees.
Starting it, I found it very difficult where I have landed to which industries and people were not responding. But the moment we started and looking at the style of business, I got a good opportunity to grab the market and people also were trying to cope up with us, to do business with us.
Sumaria Pet uses various distribution channels to reach its market. Apart from just selling its own products straight to the end consumer, it also uses the agencies and buying agents to further promote its offerings. But even though the product offerings have increased, the assurance of quality has not been forgotten.
संतुष्ट है क्वालिटी के बारे में कि उनकी फिनिशिंग अच्छी है, क्वालिटी अच्छी है और इन हाउस पूरा है वहाँ पे, इसलिए बाहर से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लेने के बजाय घर में ही अगर सब बनता है तो उसमें क्वालिटी कंट्रोल भी हो सकता है. तो हिसाब से हम लोग सुमारिया से ही जुड़े हुए.
Despite numerous responsibilities that come with being a managing director, Bharti personally looks into the quality control department as she believes it is this promise of quality which has brought a steady growth for the company.
In company there comes many things. One is product, one is R&D department, one is finance department. Finance department, my husband is looking after it. R&D and production I am looking after that because I love these all things, technical things. And so I myself do everything, all new research, R&D part also I do it myself and with support of my husband.
A skilled workforce of nearly 30 employees works dedicatedly on sophisticated machinery and in a clean work environment to ensure quality and timely delivery of the products.
मेरा नाम विजय है. यहाँ मैं पिछले 5 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. पहले मैं हेल्पर था, हेल्पर से अभी सुपरवाइजर बन गया हूँ. अभी मैं अपने परिवार को अच्छी तरह से पालन पोषण कर सकता हूँ.
The husband-wife duo spend a great deal of time with their team trying to innovate and add new products to the product line. Small ideas and innovations that could go a long way in making the company grow by leaps and bounds.
Right now we have got more than 300 to 400 items in jars itself. and we are trying to go to the root level of this industry to grow from bottom to top, from start to finish.
I haven't imagined that company would reach, but in my inner instinct was telling that you will reach somewhere. Because when I was young, that time I used to dream about that I want to be an industrialist. But I was not knowing in such a short period I will reach here.
With a positive response in the first 5 years, reputed clients already commissioning large orders, and the organization ready to tailor-make products according to the client's needs, Sumaria Pet is ready to march ahead and aims to become a true plastics leader of tomorrow.